We've all been told not to push secrets and keys to Git or any sensitive data, but this introduces a lot of challenges. How to share sensitive data securely, how to store it securely, and it becomes even more frustrating and painful if you're working in an infrastructure as code environment, in a collaborative environment where you need to share secrets between different machines. In today's video, I'd like to show you a tool not many people know about, which addresses exactly these problems and allows you to store keys, secrets, and passwords securely encrypted in a Git repository. This tool is called git-crypt, and without further ado, let me show you how you can integrate it. First, you need to install it on your computer. Right now, I'm in Ubuntu WSL, so for me, it's just a matter of running sudo apt-get install git-crypt. I opened up the project. Here I have a simple Go program that reads and outputs the secret file. As you can see, this file is ignored by Git, so how do we make it visible to Git and encrypt it every time it's committed? Instead of only having git ignore, we're also going to need another config file called git-attributes, where we can list files that will be encrypted before each commit. The syntax is a bit different. After every pattern, you also need to add filter equals to git-crypt and diff equals to git-crypt. Once you've listed all the files you want to encrypt and store in Git, you can remove them from git-ignore if they're listed there. After that, you need to commit git-ignore and git-attributes, just these two files. Next, we're going to run git-crypt init. This will tell Git to encrypt the files listed in git-attributes. And finally, before committing the files, we can make sure that they're encrypted properly by running git-crypt status, which will display all the files and whether or not they're encrypted. As you can see, my secret file is encrypted, so I can go ahead and commit it to the repository. Now if I go ahead and check that file on GitHub, here's what it looks like. As you can see, it's actually encrypted, which makes it impossible to use it without the key. Oh, right, the key. To export the key, you just need to run git-crypt export key and then the path where you want the key to be saved. I'm going to save it in the home directory. So now whoever wants to use or change this secret file needs the encryption key. Of course, if we now go ahead and clone the repository as someone would do on their machine, this file will be encrypted. To decrypt it, you just need to run git-crypt unlock and the path to the key. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. See you next time.